from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning, and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today, we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair. Emily will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The last session saw the dollar drop 0.3% against the yen. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair dropped 0.2% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.8% during the session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold gain 0.3% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the oil fall 0.4% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
That concludes our major economic events review for today. Moving on to world financial news.
The euro dropped against the dollar as business activity reports for the Eurozone economy disappointed, briefly extending declines after US data showed activity there held steady, and ahead of a flurry of Federal Reserve speakers this week. A deal to buy Intel could accelerate Qualcomm's diversification, but will burden the smartphone chipmaker with a loss-making semiconductor manufacturing unit that it may struggle to turn around or sell, analysts said. Intel shares rose nearly 3% after media reports about Qualcomm's early-stage approach for Intel. Wall Street's main indexes rose as investors assessed whether a trend will develop in the week following the Federal Reserve's rate cut. The gains come amid comments from Fed policymakers and steady factory activity data, building on last week's sharp market rally after the central bank's decision to lower interest rates.
And now let's review some of today's world economic events.
The US Red Book Index will be released at 12:55 GMT. Germany's IFO Business Climate at 8 GMT. Japan's Jiban Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 minutes GMT. The US Consumer Confidence will be released at 14 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 4:30 GMT. Germany's IFO Current Assessment at 8 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.